Dry hair shampoo for intensive hair repair. Dove Nutritive Solutions Intensive Repair Hair Shampoo with pump nourishes to repair the appearance of damaged hair. Repairing shampoo for hair nourishment. This damage repair shampoo visibly repairs and progressively nourishes dry hair wash after wash when used with intensive repair conditioner. Shampoo with keratin. Enriched with our Keratin Repair Actives. This strengthening Dove shampoo for damaged hair helps care for dry hair in need of repair by nourishing from deep within the cuticle. Repairing shampoo. This repair shampoo tackles signs of damage from the hair's surface, while nourishing hair to withstand up to 90% of damage before it even happens versus a non-conditioner shampoo. Reduces hair breakage. Everyday styling can cause breakage to your hair, but this hair shampoo helps to protect you from further damage. Reinforcing your strands. It helps to give you healthy hair. Treatment for damaged hair with this shampoo. Suitable for everyday use over time. This strengthening shampoo gives progressive nourishment to help improve its internal strength. Top reviews from the United States. Great product with a convenient pump. A wonderful shampoo that my dermatologist recommended. I love the scent and appreciate the pump feature because my rheumatoid arthritis twisted hands can't squeeze or hold the other type of container.